Assalamualaikum. I am Abab Fatima and I am from class 9. Today I am in front of you to discuss the important and interesting activity with hydraulic press that is based on Pascal's law. Consider a specific design container based on Pascal law. In this container, there is two cylinders joined by the mean of pipe. The cross-sectional area of a smaller cylinder is A1 and that larger one is A2. The cylinders are filled with some incompressible fluid that is in this time is a water. Suppose that a smaller piston is pressed down, the pressure P is equal to F over A is transmitted equally to the larger piston. So, the result indicates that a smaller force applied on a smaller piston results in a larger force on a larger piston. This system is known as force multiplier. F1 is smaller than F2 since area A2 is greater than A1 and force F2 is greater than F1. When we apply force on smaller piston, they result in larger force on larger piston.